Hey folks, and welcome to week number 11. This week is all about writing that paper, okay? So, what you want to do is look at the feedback I've given you on the research answers. If there's places where I point out you need more information, this isn't clear, I don't think this actually answers your question, those sorts of things, you want to address that before you start writing your paper. Obviously, if you don't have the answers to your questions, you can't write a good paper, okay? There's a quick video here, a quick web page here on citation basics and a place to submit your Essay 3 draft. Remember, if you want to look over the sample Essay 3, you can go back to week number 8, the beginning of this unit, and there is information on how to do, there's a sample Essay 3 there that you guys read as part of your Week 8 work. So you can go back to Week 8 and take a look at the sample as well. Okay? We'll do peer review next week, and then we'll start Essay 4. If you got any questions along the way, don't hesitate to let me know.